In this lesson, we're going to talk about how you could get started in screen printing with absolutely no money whatsoever. When I thought about getting into screen printing, I had no money, I was broke, looking for some sort of side hustle, and I grew my business to a 2,500 square foot shop with 4 employees in a matter of maybe 4 to 5 years. Within the first year, I started working for myself, screen printing full time, making more money than my current job or the job I was working at. I was making more screen printing in the garage at home than my full-time job. So how did I get started in the screen printing with no money? Well, it did start out as a side hustle, and what I did is I essentially created a simple one-color t-shirt design, which I'll post here, and posted that up on a forum, asked if there were any people that would like to purchase this t-shirt, and I happened to get about 20 to 25 people purchase this t-shirt, bringing in about $250, give or take. And the reason I didn't outsource it is because I was trying to sell that shirt for $10, and when I got quotes to produce those 20 to 25 t-shirts, companies were wanting to charge essentially what I was trying to sell my shirt for. So I went to YouTube, looked at a bunch of videos, and it took me some time to figure it out. However, I was determined to print my own t-shirts from home. So I went online, figured out how to make a press out of just lumber from Home Depot. It cost me around 25 bucks, and I went to Amazon and just found the supplies that I needed in order to get started. Starting with no money, I would recommend create a design, set up a pre-sale, blast it on social media, and I guarantee you'll get enough sales to be able to gather enough money up. If you have any questions about my story, I didn't want to go on too long, but feel free to ask me and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So it's possible you're able to start with no money. That was a short excerpt from a new class that I'm working on. It's a screen printing masterclass called Print Pro, and this will teach you everything you need to know if you're just getting into screen printing. It's an absolute beginner course, from your artwork all the way to a finished final piece. And it would be awesome to get your feedback. What would you like to see? Maybe perhaps you're still new to screen printing, and what are some of the things you would like to learn? The entry price is very affordable, but I also would love y'all's help in building the thing out. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.